We live?
Yeah, it's really dark, but it's alright.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the first Silba and Holbrook train horn pranking. My compressor's full. Train horn pranking videos. Just got the new train horns installed, plus, well, let's see if they'll reflect off a sign or something. Got the new strobes, courtesy of Sean Silba Auto Supplies. We'll take a trip down here. Let's see if we can find someone to honk, if you know what I mean.
Dude, turn off the lights. Turn off the lights.
These lights?
No, the orange ones. Okay. Now, when you go past this garage, honk it. They're always in their garage, dude.
Alright, first house down. Let's see if we can get somebody out. Oh, dude, I saw these two kids one street down. Let's see if they're still out.
Oh, really?
OMG, it's gonna be great.
You didn't get them, dude?
No, I didn't, because I was like, yo, I'm picking up Silba for this. Okay. I hope somebody's like walking. That'd be amazing.
Yeah, I know. You know what's funny? I see people out all the time, but
Watch Chris be out.
he's not home. He's at his aunt's house. Dude, is anyone out at that car?
They probably would get scared though. I gotta get somebody outside. It takes forever to fill up because it's 5 horns, bro. That's what I was.
Oh, so it's filling up right now?
Yeah.
Like you can't use it when it's filling up?
No, I wish. I was eventually, there we go. I was gonna save money and get like a better compressor. No, not yet.
Oh, you should have done it, dude.
If these kids aren't out, they're just right down here. We're going back. Where are they at? Okay. Oh, God. Stall that. Alright, hold on.
Where were they?
They were like right down here in these couple houses. Alright, forget that. We're gonna go back to that lady. If she's there.
Holbrook and Silba cheer. Oh, wait.
Oh, they can wait.
That's my dad.
Better not be. It is, dude. No, it's not. Look at that.
Yeah, it is. Oh, it was. Because they have
She's still out, dude.
they have fog lights on their car just like that. So I was worried. Because they'll have all like the lights on.
It's gonna be terrible. Should we get him?
Yeah, dude.
Oh. Not getting that one. Where's she at?
She's down here, dude. Where this car's backing out.
Oh, so she's getting in the car. Oh, dude! Yes, somebody's walking.
Where?
Right down in front of me. OMG. Oh, God, no. Oh,
Where are they?
Right here. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
He just waved, dude. Did he jump?
I don't know. Oh, I don't know if he did. His buddy did, though. OMG, the difference now, like, that sounds like nothing now.
Yeah.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I apologize for it being dark, but you know what? We're going to make another video quite soon in this daytime where there's more action in the neighborhoods. I know a few places we can go, like, say, Epic Theater, where there's quite a few people. Alright, dude, let's see if we can get anybody this street. I'm going to have to drop you off, unfortunately. Let's see, where's it at? OMG. So we were able to somewhat scare a longboarder.
Oh, dude, someone just went inside on their back porch.
You know how to get home from here?
You're gonna drop me off right here, dude?
No, Silba. From here, do you know how to get to your house?
Yeah.
Okay.
Make a right.
Make sure nobody's here. Make sure somebody knows. Crap. Nobody's scared.
Oh, MJ people.
Off the side of the road, buddy. Yo, I gotta get me my PA's feet.
They were looking at you, dude. What the heck? But yeah, dude, I saw a video today of a train horn.
Just straight or turn.
Go turn, and then you blew the horn, and all these fat people were near, and they were just like, it was angry people. It was like train horn, train horn prank,
2 or 3.
like It was like train horn prank angry people or something like that.
Yeah.
And everyone was like,
I've seen that. That was
F
hilarious.
you, man! And
Yeah.
all that. Like, you wanna fight? You wanna go? You wanna go?
Yeah.
They honked it again.
Did you see when they scared the old lady and they waited and then they scared her again? You'll have to see that one.
I didn't see that.
Dude, we're gonna have to pull something like that.
It's awesome, dude.
OMG. Dude, I'm gonna be pulling in tomorrow. Get like right behind Miss Phillips or something.
Oh.
She'd be like,
Now?
OMG.
Yeah, Miss Shepherd.
Yeah, Miss Shepherd, she'd be like, now my hawks do not need to be blowing them train horns on the hill. Hurts my ear, gives me a headache. Yo, who are those two girls that are always like riding skateboards and scooters down this hill?
I don't know, dude, but they live on. I don't know where they live.
Cause she, that was the girl I was like, tell your bus driver to move. And then I drove through here. I don't know if I was with you or not, but I drove through here again and they were riding down this hill.
Really?
It was when I dropped you off, I had the whistle. And dude,
Oh yeah.
dude, I'm gonna like back into your garage or back up into your house.
Oh my god.
See if we can scare the kid.
How are we gonna scare her, dude?
Hope we can make this. Dude, could I like, oh shoot. When I can see, I'm gonna have to pull like behind your house.
Got it, buddy. You got
Ooh. Tell me about where's my hood at? Oh shoot. Wait, you know what? That's okay. We'll just pull out and adjust, that's all. Back up into this guy's driveway.
Are you going?
No, he's getting mad. Oh, dynamic ripped again.
Oh, that would have sucked if it hit the mirror, dude. Do you know if I'll be able to get it? Why?
Ooh.
Why would you be able to get out?
There we go. Alright, now one more adjustment, and then we'll be perfect. Okay. Should be good to come out of that. There she is. I want to blow your dog's ears out.
Oh. And she's right here next to the door, too. I wouldn't do it, dude, because she's waiting at the door.
If she gets in front, that'd be fine. Oh, she's right there. Oh, God, dang it. Where's the dog?
Right there, next to Michaela.
It's still right there?
Yeah, waiting for me to come out.
I heard it like once.
Oh, go. You heard
Are you serious?
Do you know where we blew that at?
Where?
All the way at the front of the...
Really?
We blew it, at the front. And then a few other times, but that was the only time that we were somewhat close. I didn't know it was that loud. OMG. Dude, I need you to, like... Is your dog still right there?
Yeah.
Hey, can you go around on this side real quick? Come on this side, because I don't want to, like, blow your ears out if I do.
Isn't it on that side?
No. It's pointed that way.
Oh.
So if I was to blow it now, it would just, like, knock you over.
Oh, what?
If I was to do it... Check down.
Right next to Michaela.
OMG.
Hasn't moved.
Mommy?
Mommy? Yeah, whenever my parents come home again, I can
Dude, I just want you to like, I don't know what's going on with my lights, man. They don't turn on anymore. It makes me so ridiculous.
Really?
Yeah. Oh.
Did he mess up your wiring?
I don't know. That controls nothing. But that, okay. That's what, alright. You wanna do it?
What?
You wanna like, scare yourself?
No?
Dude, touch it. Right there, just like, pop. Yeah, do it. No, just like, hold it for a second.
Oh my god.
Dude. Alright. That's amazing.
OMG.
Oh, but wait, now we have the windows, bro.
Ugh.